Hello, and welcome to WVC's Oquendo Center. My name is Dr. Tony Pease, and I am the Chief Veterinary Medical Officer here. And I want to be the first one to invite you to apply for a very exciting program that we're offering called the Dr. Jack Walther Recent Graduate Boot Camp. This is being offered in partnership with Zoetis, where what we ask is for you to fly down to Las Vegas between the dates of June 24th and 26th of 2020. We will provide you with a free course as well as hotel accommodations, transport to and from the Oquendo Center, as well as meals for you to be able to experience our world-class facility and learn some really exciting techniques from the best instructors in the country. We're going to cover topics such as chronic pain management in cats, as well as dermatology and cytology, general surgery, and dentistry. What do you need to do to actually get access to this course? Well, we are going to select 24 individuals from 2-minute videos, where what we'd ask is that you make a video similar to what I'm making right now, telling me why you think that hands-on training can benefit the profession and benefit your practice of veterinary medicine. We are looking for people who are 0 to 5 years out of veterinary school, or if you're coming back into the profession after taking a hiatus and just want to refresh your skills. We really look forward to seeing your videos and hope to see you at the Oquendo Center soon. Thank you very much.